Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access battery. Now scroll down again, tap on more settings and click on this gray sweater next to high performance mode. Then tap on OK in the pop-up in order to activate it. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is now on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!